welcome back to DeltaGirls Show!
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
What are we moving?
What are we moving? What are we doing? We're moving!
We're moving. We're so like finished with everything. Like we have packed the whole day yesterday and everything, so.
Yeah, we have so much stuff. So yeah, we're actually moving to our own place, finally!
We actually live with our friend for like a couple of months because of the corona, but now we actually find a good place.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be very good, so we're really happy actually.
We're so happy. So we have been packing all night long, all day
long, the whole week. No, just kidding. We actually started yesterday, that's why we have a little
we started yesterday.
Yeah.
We're always in the last minute.
Yes.
So we're going to U-Haul. Oh. So we're actually gonna be there 5:30. Now it's 5:46. So we're gonna
rent a truck, and we never drove a truck in our life, so which is good luck.
Yeah. So you will see how it goes, and hopefully we will not kill somebody on the road. But
yeah, don't go out on the roads right now.
No,
please.
We're gonna show you how our stuff looks like right now. Also,
it's not the prettiest.
this is not all of our stuff. We have.
Okay, but stay tuned. See you at the truck rental. Mwah. So the Addy.
The Addy. We're
literally 4 minutes from where?
7 minutes.
7 minutes? Damn.
7 minutes. That's far.
It's really close to LA. 7 minutes like vacation.
Vacation.
Staycation.
Okay, it's so hot.
It's a hot sunny day.
The homeless guy, we always say hi to.
Yeah, we give him food and stuff.
Yeah, we always give the same homeless guy food since he's so nice.
Yeah, we like him.
Yeah, he always say hi to us and
he's polite.
Yeah, he's not on drugs probably. I don't think so. He looks.
He's smoking something, but I don't know what it is.
He looks clean.
I mean,
not clean.
Fairly clean.
Fairly, not like a crackhead or something.
We don't know that. Maybe he's smoking pot.
Oh, but then he looks like like crackhead.
Hopefully not.
So we just decided to put on these cute
ass hat. Shout out to Adidas for making cute hats. Actually, this frame around is a little bit too big, I think.
So we can't decide if they're cute or ugly.
I mean, comment in the section below if you think a hat are cute or not. Like, we usually go for hats because we like bucket hats, but I don't know, this bucket hat is a little bit, I don't know what it is.
Too wide. A little bit too wide.
Maybe we should have to cut it with the hand.
We had like 20 bottles of water. What is it? Half drunken? How do you say that?
Half drunken.
Half drunken.
Some German almost like half
drunken. So we always leave like some water inside. It's so fucking annoying.
Yeah, I can take that. Asshole.
Asshole. So we're gonna pretend we're moving.
Moving
guys. Moving guys.
So yeah, that's why we dressed in black because we figured. Anyways,
why do I always say crackhead? I'm so mean.
No, I'm so nervous about this truck thing. Like, hopefully we don't hit someone.
Oh, he's calling. No, who's
our friend? Yeah, okay. Be right back.
Our friend is calling, yeah. This area is
where the fuck are we? It looks a little bit
like the hood.
I'm not gonna.
No offense to the hood, but Sophia just said I think this area is good.
I didn't see this part. That's the thing. I did not see this part. I mean, this is cute.
Oh, this is cute though. So where are we? I don't even know where we are.
Where is the truck?
Laundry.
Oh.
So we're hiring a trip with U-Haul. We never hire. Oh, I think it's this one. But we have to go. I think it's the other store.
Okay, guys. Oh my god. Damn. No. No joke.
Oh my god, no way. No,
bro.
This is so scary.
This is...
No, he has to come here. I can't drive. No, I can't.
Okay, can we just try?
Okay,
Can we just drive 1 meter, 1 meter? Drive. Oh yes.
Oh my god, it's like the old fucking ass car.
It is an old ass car.
Oh shit, okay.
Okay, are you sure about this?
Wait. Oh, how do I put where is there?
Here. Are you sure you don't want me to drive?
How old is this car? 2002.
Oh my god.
Okay, wait, I need air.
Okay.
Or may fire?
Yep.
Where's the belt? I hate to drive other people's cars because when you're so used to your own car, you don't know where nothing is.
I know.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
What is this?
I don't know.
How they put it on?
I don't know. Probably. Okay.
Reverse?
No, don't back the car. It's something behind us.
This feels like I'm in driving school for the first time.
Okay, damn. Okay, let's go. Drive.
Where's the...
Oh my god! Oh my god! Damn!
I'm so nervous. Where are we going?
We're going, oh my god.
It feels like
guys.
I'm the biggest car I ever...
Okay.
It feels like I'm driving a big ass truck with like 100,000
God
kilos.
damn.
How can you drive a bus?
Okay, it's left on.
Oh! What am I gonna do now? She's coming here. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do?
She's good driving.
What am I gonna do? Fia, I don't see nothing.
Drive forward.
I'm too short for this car.
We're too short.
Left turn.
It's fine, it's fine.
Fia.
Let's go, let's go.
I'm so
Go girl, you go girl, you go girl. Yes.
Okay.
No, wait.
Where do we go now?
Wait, it's right. Here.
Fia, I don't see nothing. Is there somebody behind me?
No.
Fia.
No, it's fine.
Where am I going?
You're fine.
Where am I going?
Wait, stop. We're going right.
On the gas pedal.
Okay,
Now on the stop.
Is it coming? Come on.
No, wait, drive. Okay, wait out. Watch out for the lady.
Wait. Come on. Bro.
Yeah, it's good. Don't blink. You're blinking, so you're going inside. Oh, good job.
Look at me, bro.
Oh, you're not that scared.
No, it's not so scary.
Okay, just watch out so you don't hit this car.
Wait,
because okay, yeah, don't drive so fast.
My God.
Shit. Oh shit. And it's always one fucker that's trying to show us, but you have a fucking Mini Cooper, bitch. Who you trying to show? What the fuck, pussy?
Okay. Actually, I think it's pretty nice to sit like this up high.
I believe like it would be nice.
I believe it's not that hard. Maybe.
Oh, I don't know why I didn't like it.
I don't know how I'm gonna turn.
What do you mean?
Like how I'm gonna turn.
You turn into. Okay. Oh, it's green. It's green.
I don't wanna hit.
Okay.
Ah! Yeah!
Good job. Oh, good job. Oh, that was so. He's so fast.
I don't know.
Okay.
I just feel like.
So we called our friend because we need help. Okay. Right, and just slow down first, and then.
Okay, guys, her friend. It's okay.
It's our bed.
It's one of the parts. Okay.
Okay. Where's the other thing? How can you put it in the car? It's gonna be dirty.
How are you not?
You gotta put it in the bag, but what y'all gonna put around?
We have
minus cover.
What's that? Put it on here.
Where is it?
I don't know. We put it.
It's in the car. Our car.
You left it.
You left the mattress cover in our car?
I don't know. What are we gonna do?
It's gonna be dirty.
Oh, we put the.
Let's do all the other shit first.
Oh yeah, we just do this here.
Okay. We do the other mattress. Okay.
Yeah.
We packed yesterday.
Today actually.
Oh, stop hiding.
Y'all got tape?
Where's the tape? Oh.
Shall I leave that in the car too?
We're not experienced movers.
I bet.
Not all, but basically.
No, that shit is.
We took the wrong pizza, guys. We didn't know you can order thin crust. We don't. But
it was right there when I ordered it.
Yeah. How is it? Everything is gone here. It's so nice to finally. Yeah. Yeah, it's all a mess right now, as you can see, but yeah, it will be better. Okay, so we're packing up everything, and this is how it looks. Looks crazy, but we're gonna film to you when it's done.
Yay. Oh, big ass mattress.
Hi guys, we're off to buy some interior stuff since we don't really have any interior stuff. We are getting the apartment together. It took us a while, that's why we haven't fixed the vlog yet, since we are not done. It was 4th of July, and yeah, celebrations.
Fucking hell.
It's cute. So everything's starting to get in place here. We went and bought some stuff, as you can see. Plastic power. Yeah. And this, it looks like a mess still, but everything's starting to